really loved about Bora Festival was probably yesterday doing the rapping with Dave. It was really fun where we made the rap out of random words that he posted, and it was really fun.
The benefit of doing the Bora Festival is getting the kids outside the classroom, getting them working with some of the kids that they don't usually do things with, and getting them just having loads of fun together, trying things they've never done before.
My best thing about yesterday was the survival part because we learned how to do fire.
I learned that sometimes you have to take the hard way to end up in fun places.
One moment at the festival that really stood out for me was one of the students in my class is quite anxious and she wasn't sure about how the day was going to go. As the day progressed, I just saw her, actually from the first activity, just slowly engaging, becoming a really important part of her team and really getting good feedback from the leaders of each activity. So I was really proud of her, just the outcome for her in her building her own resilience.
I would recommend Bora Festival because it's really fun and you get to learn a lot of new things and go to a lot of new places. It's really fun.
Wow, that is a wrap here at Bora Festival for United Lisbon International School. Over 2 days, these students heard from some phenomenal guest speakers, got out their comfort zones, grew in confidence, and had so much fun here at this adventure park. Bora Festivals are all about building culture, community, and connection at school, and it's about making education feel human again. Thank you so much, United Lisbon International School. Bora!